Meet tutorial for students. Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google. Securely connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere. With Google Meet, everyone can safely create and join high-quality video meetings. How to download Meet using smartphone? First, download Google Meet app through the following: App Store for iPhone users, Google Play Store for Android phone users, and Petal Search for Huawei phone users. Second, search for the Google Meet app, then click Install. Third, be mindful of the use of microphone and camera in Meet. Turn on and turn off your microphone and click Join and not Present. Fourth, other features of Google Meet using your cell phone. This is where you can see the participants, and this is where you can comment. Just type and send. This is where you can see the joining information, attachment, and links given by your teacher. And if you click this triple dot, you can see the other settings. Different ways on how are we going to access Meet using our computer. First, we can open the browser, then type meet.google.com. Click Join or Start a meeting. Enter the meeting code given by your teacher. Second, your teacher will send the meeting code link via FB Messenger. Simply just click the link and you will be directed to the Google Meet. So, these are the different ways on how are we going to use Meet in computer. You can turn on and off our microphone and camera. We're just going to click Join now and not Present. You can mute and unmute your microphone, turn on and off your camera, and you can click the Leave Call if you want to turn off the call. You can click Show Everyone where you can see all the participants. Click the Chat with Everyone so you can chat and send messages to others. Just simply type and send. Click Meeting Details so you can see the joining information, and click the other tab which is the attachment for you to see the attachment sent by your teachers. In order to share your screen to others, you can click Present Now and you can choose 3 different types on how are you going to share your screen. Your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. You can see the 3 small dots. Click for other settings. Teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is best. Bob Colbert. This is Irene T. Punsalan, your school ICT coordinator. Keep calm and be cyber safe.